Data collection methods. Every research scholar must know about the data collection methods. Without knowing any knowledge about the data collection methods, they can't do any research and they can't find any theory. So, data collection methods are necessary. Research is a continuous process. So, to know unknown things, that is search for unknown things. So research scholar must apply data collection methods, whether it is primary data, secondary data collection methods must apply by the research scholars. So initially there are several types of data collection methods. Initially that is first one is interviews. A researcher can seek information from the respondents for whatever topic has been selected by the research scholar. He can collect information from the respondents. Through direct interview, indirect interview, direct interview. So a scholar must visit whatever place, whatever area selected by the researcher. He must be there and he should gather information from them. So male wise, female wise, population wise, gender wise, or employment status wise, social status wise, he can gather information through direct interview or indirect interview. So indirect interview, it will be in different forms, that is through mailed questionnaire. So services through letters or emails, etc. Indirect interview. So that is also one of the procedure to get information from the respondents. So interview also one of the data collection method for the research. And second one is questionnaire. It will be in different types: structured questionnaire, unstructured questionnaire. So whenever research topic can be selected by the researcher, so on the basis of the research topic, he should prepare some questions. So that they are classified into two types: structured questions and unstructured questions. So without preparation of the questionnaire, you cannot get any information from them. So on the basis of the questionnaire, data can be analyzed by the researchers. So questionnaire also one of the data collection method. And next one is survey. Third one is survey. Survey also one of the data collection method. So data can be collected by the researcher or scholar. He can seek information from the respondents from the research area through surveys. So that is systematic survey, or random based survey, or multi surveys. So basis of the random surveys, data can be analyzed. Surveys also very essential to gather information from the respondents or people, whatever topic can be selected by the researcher. And next, observation. Without asking any question by the researcher, without raising any question by the research scholar, so you can get some information from the office or department or research area. So through direct observation will be in different types. So first one is direct observation, indirect observation. Direct observation means he must be there, he should observe everything what is going on there, and what is the availability, what is the structure and availability of the information that can be observed by the researcher, and he can gather information without asking any question from the asking for respondents. you can gather observation through observation method, also one of the essential data collection method. And indirect observation through third person you can gather information from the respondents. And fifth one is documents and records. So which was written by the office officials recorded stints. So these are written evidences to gather information from the governmental departments. So and exact information can gather, and that information can be analyzed by the researcher for the research purpose. That is also one of the data collection method. And focus groups, there are several focus groups in the research area. They can seek information like pressure groups, like that. Focus groups, they are having more knowledge on the research area, and they can seek information from the focus groups. That is also one of the important research data collection method is focus groups. And oral histories, without raising of any question, and which was written already in the form of secondary data. Oral histories, it was explained by the somebody who is having knowledge on the particular area or office, etc. Oral histories, these are evidences to researcher. And that is also, oral history is also one of the data collection method. And project techniques, and that is applied in almost all the schools and colleges. Project techniques, so it will be in live mode, etc. So whatever place or topic can be selected by the research scholar, he must be there, and he should gather information from the respondents directly. Project method, everything should be known by the scholar or student. Project method, it is applied in the colleges or schools. It is also one of the data collection method to research. And schedule also one of the data collection method. Through schedules, data can be gathered by the research scholar to analyze about the data. It is also one of the data collection method. And case study method. So everybody should know about the case study method. Case study means keen observation. Whatever topic, issue or incident can be selected by the research scholar. So a case may be explained in detailed manner. Clear explanation about the area in detailed manner, that is case study. So particularly that was used in police department. First information report, a CID, like any inquiry commission by the government of any inquiry commission of the state governments. So that is case study method, one of the data collection method. Case study method, particular time basis and keen observation and detailed analysis of the particular topic. Case study method also one of the data collection method. And focus groups and discussion. Focus groups, they are having more knowledge on the research area and discussion, who are eminent people in the particular locality, and they should discuss about this topic, and they should get information from them. Discussion is also one of the data collection method. These are the most important data collection methods. Every student must learn about the data collection methods. So without knowing of data collection methods, they can't do research in proper way. Research is based on a systematic manner, whether it is social science or science.